Hello guys, this is Ramzi again from Acdcmarineinc. Well, I'm combining right now apple to apple, and here we go. This is a panel from Caterpillar and it has 5 gauges. In fact, it has 0 to 80 psi, 0 to 350 psi for the transmission, voltmeter, temperature, and oil pressure. Well, here we go. This panel also has an RPM and it has analog meter for the RPM. It has a push button for a start and it has a push button for a stop and a circuit breaker that doesn't belong in this panel. It also has one LED for the alarm. The way we do our panel, it's a gun, and I'm sure some of you guys already have it. This is our Caterpillar panel over here, which is it has a voltmeter, fuel pressure meter, oil pressure meter, temperature meter, and hydraulic oil pressure meter, and hydraulic temperature meter. That's 6 gauges and RPM, and of course, very simple. It has one gauge that does all our lights, all the warning lights, the oil, check engine, all the functions. In one gauge it has 4 lights. Ignition key, ignition on, then crank. And this crank over here, it does have anti-crank, which means once you start the engine, you cannot restart it again, so you don't damage your starter or Bendix gear. It has the siren in the front and all the warning light, like what we said, it's here. It's a lot cleaner, it's a lot better. You don't need any push button to stop or to start the engine. That switch will do it all for you. Clean, nice, and the holes matching in the same exact holes as the old one. In fact, we made this panel is about 1/16 of an inch, a little bit larger, for a simple reason. When you're mounting this panel over here, you're always going to crack the corner because the corners are very to the edge with the actual screw itself, as you can see over here. So this panel over here, made out of American made gauges, all made in USA and made here in our facility at Acdcmarineinc. That's how we're going to make America great again.